This used to be the old closet. This was the door from the bedroom, which we removed to make it their new laundry room, which is going to be, when it's all done, the dryer is going to be on this side. Wash machine is going to be here. What we're standing in is going to be the future hall bathroom, which we're leaving unfinished. The homeowner is going to finish it at his leisure. That was the hall bathroom. Now coming down, we're in the master bedroom. This is going to be the master bathroom. Here's going to be the vanity. They're going to fit into here. The walk-in shower, which is going to have a corner bench in the corner, half wall with a solid piece of glass. We're going to have a lot more space and more convenient than walking out of the room like they did before we started this.